Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have here Play-Doh Barnyard Pals and we're gonna play with this. Okay, are you ready now? Let's have fun! Okay kids, let's start with molding chicken. Let's trim off the excess Play-Doh. Here you go. We're almost done. Okay, here's the chicken. It looks great. Then let's make a cow. We're almost done here. Let's peel this off from the mold. Looks like we have a little bit of Play-Doh to get rid of. We're almost done. Okay, here's our cow. Next, we're gonna mold a tractor. Let's use a blue Play-Doh. Let's peel this from the mold. Here's their tractor. Let's get rid of the excess Play-Doh. Here you go. This side too. What a cute tractor. Look at that. Guess what we are going to mold? Can you guess? So, what do you think is this? Look at that. It's hay. Let's grow the wool of the sheep. And let's use black Play-Doh. Here's the wool growing. Now they're long. Let's brush the wool. Okay, put it on the side. Put this at the back, on the side. Look at that. It looks cute. Next, let's grow cow's hair. Same with the sheep, we're gonna use black Play-Doh. Look at the hair growing. Then, let's brush the hair. What a cute cow! Here's the dog. Let's grow his hair. He's an orange dog. And he's so cute. Okay, let's do the chicken's feathers. The chicken has feathers now. Look, here are the animals that we did. The dog, cow, chicken, and sheep. It's time for the chicken to lay some eggs. One, two, three, four. The chicken just laid 4 eggs. Check it out. Let's mold some fruits and vegetables. Do you recognize this vegetable? These are peas in the pod. Let's mold another vegetable. This is carrot. This is cucumber. Now let's mold a fruit. Let's see if you guys recognize this. It's a strawberry. What do you think I'm molding right now? Can you guess? It's apple. Let's make some more vegetables. Do you know this vegetable? Does it look familiar to you? Well, it's broccoli. I love broccoli. It's one of my favorite vegetables. Now let's mold a corn. Now let's mold carrot. It's kind of hard to get it off. Okay, we got it. Let's trim off the excess Play-Doh. Okay. There you go. Here's our carrot. So we're done. Okay, these are the barnyard farm animals. The sheep, the chicken, the cow, and the dog. And the eggs here. And we have the hay. We molded that. Okay, let's arrange them. We're gonna put some vegetables and fruits here. The dog will eat the carrot. I would like to add broccoli. There's corn for the chicken. Here's our molded chicken. I'm going to place the molded cow here. And I'm going to place the tractor right here.
Yummy. Yummy. Moo. Moo.
Ba.
Tak 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 tak. Tak 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 tak. Tak 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 tak. Tak 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 tak.
So this is the Play-Doh Barnyard Farm Animals. This toy is so fun to play with. I really enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy it too. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.